Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are giving my client finger coils, so let's get started.
Let's fly. Yeah, yeah. Ooh. Ooh, yeah, yeah. Book that trip, all packed up for the flight. Don't mind leaving in the morning, but there's something about that red eye. First class, we love a little upgrade. Feet up, eats plus a little champagne. Pretty sunrise landing, passport stamped in. Friends from the city to the sand. Getting my jet set on, move and groove to a new high. Getting my jet set on, gonna find the perfect view. Getting my jet set on, so many sights to see. Getting my jet set on, nobody jet set like me.
Would you believe me if I told you that he wrote that song while he was getting his hair done at Disappointment? That's crazy, right? And then the song that I play in the beginning of most of my videos, Glam Today, he wrote that at another appointment. That's nuts, right? People are so talented. Anyway, let's get back to the video.
Hold me like your lover, treat me like no other. Inside street or undercover, it's love enough forever. Ooh, oh, oh, handle me, not too harsh or jelly. Destiny is on the lead. Money tonight I no go green. Normally, oh normally, I thought you rest with me. Jelly, oh jelly, yeah. Baby, oh, oh, my baby, oh, na daddy, oh, my baby, oh, baby, oh, my baby, say my baby, oh, my baby, say my baby, handle me, destiny is on the lead. And tonight I don't agree. I thought you thought me, handle me, destiny is on the lead. And tonight I don't agree. Hold me like your lover, treat me like no other. Inside street or undercover, it's love enough forever. Say, oh, my baby, oh, na daddy, oh, my baby, baby, oh, my baby, say my baby, oh, my baby, say my baby, handle me, destiny is on the lead. Normally, oh normally, jelly, oh jelly, yeah. Hold me like your lover, treat me like no other. Inside street or undercover, it's love enough forever. Baby, oh, my baby, oh, na daddy, oh, my baby, baby, oh, my baby, say my baby, oh, my baby, say my baby,
So after the curls set under the dryer, I'm pulling them apart, and he likes his hair a little bit more lived in, so I fluff it out a lot more. And then he's actually getting a haircut after this because your girl can't fade. But thank you guys for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.